This is awesome and I got it, so... Whoa, Thomas! No, Thomas has to go!
Yay! Palakpak! Yay!
Yay! Thomas is coming! What happens if I stop him? Oh no! Yay! Oh no! Thomas! Yeah! I'm gonna put her.
Wait. Ambot, ayaw mo. Wait. Ako mo nga.
Okay.
Wala. Buksan mo kung ano naman.
Yeah.
Oh, ayan na.
Thomas.
Dalawa na kagada nun. Ano pa lang?
Come on. This is awesome. So, Cha, go! Wow, Thomas is coming. Stop him. Then make him go.
Sira. Sira, huwag mong pigilan.
Oh no! Surprise! No!
Huwag mo nahawakan tong friend. Kasi masisira yung gulong niya.
Stop. Hey! Oh, you... Let's go.
Kaya mo lang.
Wait.
Ano mo, palakpak natin.
What? No! And Thomas is stuck. Oh no! Okay, Thomas is going. No! Oh!
Binabidyoan ni Nathan.
Wow!
Binabidyoan ni Nathan lang.
Wow! Let's stop him.
Klap.
No!
Yay!
Oh, it's stuck. Wow, Thomas is coming! Go!
Ay, naku. Hindi ka kailangan ba si Thomas?
Come on!
Ayun yung niya.
It's been stuck. Okay. The way to end the video is... Whee!